Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G73 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, if you're using different browser it actually looks kind of the same. So let's enter the browser and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see right here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to them and they will immediately disappear. But if in your case this list is so wide and you don't really have time to do it manually, then I simply recommend to tap on clear browsing data, and here we can do it automatically. Here we've got some basic and advanced options, so we can remove the browsing history, cookies, inside data, and cached images and files, and this is the basic one. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me remove also saved passwords and, for example, site settings. We can also change the time range from last hour to, I don't know, last 4 weeks, for example. And then simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your MOTOROLA Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.